My name is Doug Price. Introducing the once exclusive software used by the wealthy, Rev Trader Pro. For the past 10 years, I've created some incredible pieces of trading strategy. But one of my most successful and popular with the wealthy clients was and is Rev Trader Pro. Rev Trader Pro trades the Forex markets. It's a completely automated system, and in a few minutes, I'll tell you exactly why it's one of my most favorite and profitable investments in the world. And today, I'm going to give you full access to the software, the complete software with no limitations, exactly as I've run it for others and myself. You don't need to be a trader or a computer enthusiast to run Rev Trader Pro on your Forex trading account. I've simplified the whole process because the clients I've worked with in the past were quite inexperienced. It is simple. Your Forex broker provides a platform called MetaTrader 4. It's easy to install. They provide the installer software that does it for you. And even easier, my Rev Trader Pro comes with an installer that installs and sets up the software automatically onto the MetaTrader 4 platform. You really don't need to do much. You don't need to figure out any settings. The best possible settings are built in and set for you already. No other software or inconvenient runtime files are required. The market is in a constant state of war. Traders are fighting to push the market up and down. It's a state of constant volatility. This is great news for us because if we time it right, we can profit on these movements. I've designed Rev Trader Pro to monitor the up and down patterns and detect highs and lows. With this data, the software makes entry on the reversal of the market movement. Here's the thing about trading. There can and will be false trade signals. This is what separates the winners from the losers. From my years of experience trading, I've learned the patterns and have created filters to help avoid false signals. These filters are built into Rev Trader Pro. In fact, there's a bunch of exciting features. Let's take a few moments to go over them. Trade reversal detection technology. A specifically designed unique software technology that detects potential reversals using my years of trading experience. False signal detection technology. This software technology works hand in hand with trade reversal detection to spot and avoid possible bad trade signals. Account risk management. Based on your account equity, you can set a specific percentage of risk you want your account to be exposed to at any time during trading. Trade operation management. After opening a trade, it's even more important that the trade is closed at the right time. With a built-in dynamic trade management system to lock in profits, the account growth is greater and smoother. Alert system. An alert will pop up on trade actions. Optional, of course. Email notification. You can have Rev Trader Pro email you when trades occur. ECN multi-digit compatible. Brokers can come in a few shapes and sizes. ECN, NDD, STP, 4-digit, and 5-digit, various spreads, etc. If you don't understand this, don't worry. It's all handled. Rev Trader Pro doesn't use any deceptive trading tactics. And what I mean by that is no martingale and no grid. These are just dangerous methods to make accounts continue to grow in the short term, but they end up destroying your account. I've had my fair share of trainees under me over the years. These guys are all the same. They have a big head and they think they're going to make millions, but don't know the first thing about making safe, consistent, long-term profit. It's the same story over and over. Go for the quick win. Eventually they lose it all in one big trade. I have a very powerful method to confirm validity of trades that most trainees would never follow. And even most Forex strategies I see today do not follow. And you'd be surprised because it makes complete logical sense. I made certain that this feature is in Rev Trader Pro. It adds another level of safety to your trading. So what exactly is this method? It's unbelievably simple, but don't let that fool you. Rev Trader Pro runs on the 1 hour time frame. The entire strategy, analysis, etc. occurs on that chart. Once a signal of buy or sell has been acquired based on the proper patterns identified, and all systems have done their checks, Rev Trader Pro will do one final confirmation. It switches internally to the daily chart to do one last analysis to track the direction of the trend. If the trend does not match with the signal acquired on the 1 hour time frame, then it will not make the trade. Here's what I mean. This is a very important verification because the daily chart cuts out the short-term clutter of the market analysis and gives us a clearer picture of where the market is going. Essentially, if the trade signal in the hour chart happens to go against us, but the daily chart is in favor of the trade, there is a high probability it can and will recover in the profitable direction. Therefore, it gives us an additional layer of protection when entering a trade. In Forex, with my strategies and systems, I've helped an abundant amount of wealthy clients produce insane returns on their money that no average money manager can even come close to. The most important reason that I favor Forex trading to build my nest egg and produce a passive income is because it doesn't matter if there is a market crash or boom. For example, Rev Trader Pro doesn't care whether the market is up or down. It just wants volatility. It wants movement. Movement creates trade opportunity, and it will catch and ride the movement in either direction. I personally get excited about trading. It's my passion. I've been trading for as long as I can remember, and there's nothing better than it for me. Here's what I did. 1. Rev Trader Pro does not scalp. Scalping is great, but it comes with a risk of losing money from commission, spread, slippage, and broker sensitivities. 2. Rev Trader Pro loves to ride the waves of the market up and down with its unique style of trading. 3. Rev Trader Pro operates successfully on 4 currency pairs: AUD USD, GBP USD, EUR USD, and NZD USD, and can be optimized for other pairs also. 4. Rev Trader Pro offers a powerful set of controls to optimize and adjust settings. But don't worry, default settings are excellent. I use them on my own account. There is no need to make any adjustments.